Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve square root 29 square minus 13 square is equals to what? So let's start with the today's video solution. So here I am going to use a very famous identity, that is a square minus b square, which is equals to a plus b, a minus b. So where a is 29 and b is 13. So let's put the value. So under square root 29 plus 13 times 29 minus 13. Under square root 29 plus 13 is 42 times 29 minus 13 is 16. 42 times 4 times 4. So we can write it as 4 square root 42. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.